Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use Voxtelesys SMS service with Vital PBX. Please note that MMS is currently not supported by Vital PBX. To start, you'll want to make sure your license supports SMS integration and that the package is added to your PBX. You should verify your license with Vital PBX Sales. To add the SMS package, go to Vital PBX Admin and navigate to the Add-ons tab. Click on the icon next to SMS to install it. Setting up SMS with Voxtelesys is easy. If you do run into any issues, you can reach out to Voxtelesys support. During the setup process, you'll be working in the Voxtelesys portal and Vital PBX UI. If possible, it's best to have both pages up as you'll be copying and pasting the API keys, webhooks, etc. The first thing we do is create the messaging provider in Vital PBX. You'll want to refresh the page so that the SMS tab shows up on the dashboard. Select the PBX icon, then select the SMS tab and click on Messaging Providers from the drop-down menu. Select Voxtelesys from the drop-down menu, then type in a description. Leave this page open as we'll need it to create and copy the API key from the Voxtelesys portal. Navigate to the Voxtelesys portal. Select the APIs tab, then click on Keys from the drop-down menu. Click here to create an API key. Next, make sure that the API key is enabled. Give the API key a name to make it easy to identify. Select the trunk group from the drop-down menu. Click on Confirm when you're done. Use the Copy button to copy your key to your clipboard. Navigate back to Vital PBX. With the API key copied, go back to Vital PBX and paste it into your Voxtelesys messaging provider setup. Save when you're finished. Now that the messaging provider is built in Vital PBX, we can use the webhook they generated to create our messaging application in the Voxtelesys portal. Copy the webhook URL from the Voxtelesys messaging provider template on Vital PBX. Go back to the Voxtelesys portal to start building the messaging application. Select the APIs tab, then click on Messaging Applications. Click here to create an application. Name your messaging application profile. Select your SIP trunk from the trunk group drop-down menu. Select Post as the HTTP method. Set events to both. Set both the MO and DR webhooks to the webhook URL from Vital PBX. The DR type should be set to per recipient. Set the authentication to none. Save your profile when you're finished. Next, we'll assign SMS and messaging application to your phone numbers. Select the Phone Numbers tab, then click on Numbers from the drop-down menu. Click on the pencil icon next to the DID number you want to assign SMS to. Check this box to enable SMS. Select your service trunk, your messaging application, and your campaign from these drop-down menus. If you do not have a campaign, you can select None, surcharges apply. If you have any issues with message delivery, we'll be unable to troubleshoot without a campaign approved and assigned. To create a campaign, go to portal.voxtelesys.net/SMS-campaigns-registry. Save your edit when you're done. We're almost done. All you need to do now is to add the SMS numbers to Vital PBX. This can be done in two different ways. Option 1 would be to manually add the numbers via the messaging provider section. Click on Add Number to do so. Add the number using E164 formatting and add a description if you'd like. Option 2 would be to get the phone number from an API. Click on the Get Numbers from API button to do so. Click on the Continue button to synchronize the numbers. That's it. SMS integration between Voxtelesys and Vital PBX is now complete. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Voxtelesys SMS services with Vital PBX. Check back for more useful videos on Vital PBX as we're frequently publishing new content.